Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging on. It's a little hot and sweaty out here in the shop today. It's actually cooling off outside. It's a little bit of rain. Might hear some rain on the, I don't know if it'll get picked up on the metal roof. Plus I got a fan blowing over here. Probably hear that noise. But it's the next step in my making a knife out of an old file blade series, which I've said all along is a learning experience because, yeah, I learned what not to do the hard way. I learned everything the hard way. So after I heat treated my knife, I thought I gotta get the scale off. And I thought, hey, I'd try something different besides just taking a wire wheel to it, which is what I should have done. I'll put it in a pan, little bit of I had like an aluminum baking pan. I put a couple pieces of wire that keep hold off the bottom, pour a little vinegar on the top. So I'll come back the next day to take the scale off, all the black scale and stuff. I'm going to dissolve it off. I heard about that. Well, I got busy and I couldn't get back out here, and it sat in that for over a week. And now it's got some really nice, I don't know if it's showing up or not, back up a little, nice gouges cut into it right in here, all through there. You can probably see it just ate the blade. The blade super sharp because it ate some of the metal off, so it got it down to a razor edge. But to salvage it, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna have to come all the way down to like that far because it's got a big old pieces cut out of it, and I don't know if that's just the vinegar eating on it or if that's something to do, because it didn't do anything to the non-heat treated part. I didn't quench all this. I only quenched a line. In fact, you can almost see it in there, the line kind of going from here up across here in there, and it kind of brought that line out there. So I'm going to have to shape this down way down here and reprofile this knife. But it's already heat treated, so I got to make sure I don't get it too hot doing it. I'm going to have to really keep it wet. Yeah, I really messed it up. What not to do. Don't go off and leave this soaking in something for a week. Okay, that was a mistake. But like I said, I'm learning on this one. It's just for me. I'm going to get some handle material, and I'll try to get some video of me reshaping it. This will be a short video, so I'm just going to reshape this one and try to repair what I've damaged on it without losing my heat treating. So let's see how this goes. I've kind of made me a line here where I can work on reshaping this down. So much I'm going to have to really grind off. I got some water here because this is hardened, so I don't want to turn it blue or anything. I'm going to turn the sound down. I want to change belts out first. More aggressive belt on. There's another project. I need to make a belt rack. That's pretty quick. Now, this is 36 grit, so it's pretty aggressive. Now that it's all sharpened, you can kind of see places where the dark lines are at. And that's where it's still etched in there. I've got to go a little deeper still. That's a 120 grit belt. Shake some. Taking off this too much metal on it, so I'm kind of quit, even though it's little rough spots here and there. Switch to a different belt. It's looking a little better. Come on, do some more cleanup on it, and then I'll work on getting some scales for it, and we'll go from there. So until the next time, trying to fix my mistakes and learn how to make a knife. Have a good one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.